They're not completely set up, but that's okay.
Should I come around, sir?
Yes, you should. Alright, so let me
Oh yeah.
just straighten up the dirt. Okay. Alright, so I don't really want to eat one of each of these. I don't want to try all of them, but for the sake of the video, I think that we should definitely, like, put one of each on the plate.
Yep.
Okay. And then we got the other ones too.
Right.
Actually, two of each.
Oh, that's fine.
Two of each on the plate. There we go.
Well, we can stack a little bit.
Oh yeah, we can do that. That's no problem. There we go. There's that.
I find it makes the plate look thicker or more full.
Yeah. Well, we still got the other ones too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, let's set that aside there. Okay. So, I guess you want to just grab one?
Yeah.
You want to try one of those?
Yeah, I'll do one of my drizzlies.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do one of these right here. Oh man. That's just icky sweet and yummy. This is like something you put on toast. Wow, that's good. The texture of the cookie is right on.
Yeah, it's got just enough chewiness, but it's very delicate.
It's got a little bit of crispness, but it's not crunchy, so to speak,
Say the crispness is right here, and then the center of the cookie's soft.
Folks, when you bake these, it's key that you get the little golden ring around the edge. Okay, that's how you know they're done. When the golden ring goes around the edge, then it's time to pull them. These bigger ones here, they're a little underdone. So, and that's why I did them with the softer the jam, because it's a softer cookie, it's less done. Whereas the crisp ones, I did against the chocolate. So, yeah, man, that's good.
Oh yeah.
Let me grab those other ones.
Oh yeah. Well, folks, this and many more recipes are going to be in that baking book by John. So,
keep
your eyes out.
Every week we do another one. All right, we should let's do these ones.
Yeah.
Now this chocolate, that's going to get firm. Once it gets set up, we're eating it warm. Could almost use a little drizzle too.
Oh yeah. That caramel filling. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's happening. You like that?
Oh yeah. The dark chocolate has enough bitterness to offset the taste, so it isn't so sweet.
Now you see why I cut them in half.
Oh, that'll be a thick cookie.
When you're putting two together, it's like, yeah, it's a commitment. Yep. So,
I take that.
What's that?
I take it on.
Well, I just did. Yeah, for sure. All right. Well, folks, hope you've enjoyed our video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. But, it really helps us when you make comments. Really love the comments, and, love it when folks ask, for certain things or whatever. Please feel free to ask. There's a lot of things, I have some good ideas coming down the pikeway, but it's always good when we get feedback from the audience. And remember, whenever you bake, make sure you bake with love and passion. It's always going to be good. Can't go wrong. All right. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
Cut. All right.